Want to become a data analyst but drowning in advice? This is a clear, no-fluff roadmap for 2026, the exact skills to learn, in the right order. Stick around for a portfolio challenge near the end. Here's the plan. First, what analysts actually do, then the 6 core skills in the order you should learn them, then how to build a portfolio, a realistic timeline, and the mistakes that quietly waste months of your time. So what does the job actually involve? You take messy raw data, clean it, analyze it to find patterns, visualize it, and then tell the story that helps someone make a decision. That last part, communication, is what separates good analysts from great ones. Step 1, Excel. Yes, in 2026 it's still everywhere. Master formulas, pivot tables, lookups, and basic charts. It's the fastest way to start thinking in rows, columns, and aggregations. Step 2, SQL, and this is the non-negotiable core skill. Nearly every analyst job needs it. Learn to select, filter, group, aggregate, and join. If you skip one skill, do not let it be this one. Step 3, data visualization. Pick one BI tool, Power BI or Tableau, and get good at it. The goal isn't pretty charts, it's dashboards that answer a question at a glance. Depth in one beats dabbling in both. Step 4, statistics, but only the essentials. Averages, spread, distributions, correlation, and the golden rule that correlation is not causation. You don't need a math degree, you need to not be fooled by your own data. Quick check. What's the number one non-negotiable technical skill for a data analyst? A. Python. B. SQL. Or C. Tableau? You should know this one. The answer is B. SQL. Python and Tableau are valuable, but SQL is the one skill almost every analyst job requires. Nail it early. Step 5, Python. It's optional to start, but it's a serious power-up. With pandas you can clean and analyze data that would break a spreadsheet, and you can automate the boring repetitive stuff. Add it once SQL is solid. Step 6, AI tools. Learn to use copilots, ChatGPT, and text-to-SQL to work faster. But use them to speed up skills you understand, not to skip learning the fundamentals. The analyst who directs AI beats the one who blindly trusts it. Now the part that actually gets you hired, a portfolio. Build 3 or 4 projects, an interactive dashboard, a SQL case study answering a real question, and a data cleaning story. Projects beat certificates every time. Your turn. Pick a data set you find interesting and a specific business question you'd answer with it for your portfolio, something like which products drive the most profit. Comment your idea below, and I'll reply with feedback. Don't skip soft skills. Your analysis means nothing if nobody acts on it. Practice explaining a result in one plain sentence a busy manager would understand. Storytelling is a genuine career multiplier. How long does this take? For most people, 3 to 6 months of consistent effort is enough to become job ready, if you're building projects, not just watching courses. Speed comes from doing, not from collecting tutorials. Finally, the traps. Tutorial hell, endlessly watching without building. Having no portfolio to show. And spreading yourself across every tool while mastering none. Avoid these 3 and you're ahead of most beginners. Do you need certifications? They're a nice to have, not a substitute for a portfolio. If you want one, the Microsoft PL300 for Power BI and the Google Data Analytics certificate are solid, recognizable choices. But projects still speak louder than badges. When you start applying, widen your net. Don't only search data analyst. Look for business intelligence analyst, reporting or MIS analyst, and junior or associate analyst roles. Same skills, different labels, and far more openings. Recap the roadmap: Excel, then SQL, then one BI tool, then Essential Statistics, then Python, then AI tools, all backed by a portfolio. Follow that order and you won't feel lost. That's the roadmap. If it helped, subscribe, it genuinely helps the channel. Comment your portfolio project idea so I can give feedback, and check out the AI and ML shorts while you're here. You've got this. See you in the next one.